The Reliance Fold-to-Go portable camping toilet is a convenient and sturdy outdoor toilet designed for camping and other outdoor activities. Despite its portability, the toilet has a robust construction and it's made from high-quality materials, supporting a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. This is approximately 136 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The toilet is designed with smooth surfaces that are easy to clean and maintain, promoting proper hygiene during outdoor use. It features a secure locking mechanism that keeps it stable and prevents accidental folding during use. Overall, the Reliance Fold-to-Go portable camping toilet offers a practical and hygienic solution for outdoor toileting needs. Its foldable design, sturdy construction, and high weight capacity make it a reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a convenient and comfortable camping toilet.